So how good is GoPro Hero 10 Black Hypersmooth stabilization versus Hohem Isteady Pro 4 in low light? Well, quite a lot of people asked me this question after I reviewed this gimbal on my channel, and in this video I highlighted that this gimbal needs at least basic Hypersmooth to deliver buttery smooth video. As without it, you can still see some shakes in your footage. But how good is it in low light when you turn off that image stabilization from camera and rely only on the motors of that gimbal? Well, let's find out. Alright, so let's summarize it all now. So as you just seen, even GoPro Hero 10 Black Hypersmooth 4.0 couldn't stabilize that footage and it struggled in low light. You can still see a lot of shakes and jitters, especially around the light sources. There was simply not enough light for the camera to make a perfectly stable video, as Hypersmooth needs crystalline clear images to put them together, thus as a result make a stable video. And this is simply how electronic image stabilization works. Now, the GoPro that was used with Hohem Isteady Pro 4 had its Hypersmooth turned off all the time. And you still could see some shakes in this video, but it simply wasn't as bad as with Hypersmooth turned on. As you could see, there were no jitters in the light sources and the horizon was perfectly straight. So even though the footage from Isteady 4 Pro wasn't perfect, as it had a little bit of shakes in it, it was usable. So if you plan to record some footage in low light, I guess you can use it. Okay guys, so I only hope that this video was helpful and informative to you. Perhaps you were thinking about buying this gimbal for yourself, so these are going to be the results that you are going to get if you buy this gimbal. Alright guys, so for today's video I think that's it. I hope that video was helpful and informative and you learned something from it. And if you did, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss on my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!